I recently purchased the Presto electric tilt and fold griddle, and I've been nothing short of impressed. From its sleek black design to its clever functionality, it's clearly a standout in kitchen appliances. From breakfast to dinner, this griddle is perfect for all meals. Its surface easily adjusts between level and tilted modes, making it a breeze to cook, anything from fluffy pancakes to juicy steaks. The broad 254 square inch cooking surface is a major plus, offering plenty of room to prepare food for the whole family. What particularly wowed me is the quality of the nonstick surface. It's not only effective preventing food from clinging, but it also makes cleanup a breeze. I also appreciate the automatic heat control, which consistently maintains the desired temperature, relieving me of the constant check and adjust routine. The compact storage design is ingenious, the legs fold in, and the drip tray locks in place, fitting comfortably in my standard kitchen cabinet. Plus, the tilt-a-drain feature has been a lifesaver for healthier meals, allowing excess fat to simply run off when cooking meats. Beyond its features, I can't overlook the benefit of easy, hassle-free cleaning. The griddle is fully submersible once the heat control is removed, making it perfect for a deep clean. Overall, I highly recommend the Presto electric tilt and fold griddle to anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. It's a user-friendly, versatile, and excellent addition to any cooking routine.